We have received a new Jura machine that is replacing the old one. Been working beautiful for many years. Water in the tank, filter's been inserted. Okay, we're following all the steps for the initial start. Select language. We already tested the hardness of the water. Okay, and it's asking for the switch open. But we keep doing this and there's no water coming out. And so it makes the noise, but there's no water coming out. Again, filter is inserted. Water tank is at the max level. It's actually a little bit below. So there's no water. No water coming anywhere. Keeps going through this cycle and it's telling me to turn the tap off, and then it fills the system, and then it tells me to open it again, and it keeps making this noise and nothing comes out. So it does this, we went back, and it keeps doing the same thing and no water's coming out, and we cannot pass this step. It's Christmas Day, we called Jura, but nobody's answering. They're saying they're closed. So if anybody has any ideas, please let us know. Again, does the same thing. Close switch, open switch. It's doing the same thing.